Hi guys! So today I had picked up this kit and it was on clearance, which is nice because clearance is always good. And I've never actually, really done a metallic look on my face. So that is what we are going to do today. We're going to do metallic. So this says it is from Profusion, Mixed Metal Eyes, Long-Lasting Liquid Eyeliner Pen, and 2 metallic liquid eyeshadows with a metallic eye pigment. So, of course, now I have to try and get this package open. Let me grab some scissors. Because, of course, it's sealed well. Jeez. Ugh. Okay, that plastic that they've got it sealed with did not even want to cut with my scissors, but I managed to strong arm it off. Alrighty, so let's see this. So this is the eyeliner here. I don't even know what color it is. I think it's, okay, it's black. So black. Here's one of the liquid eye shadows. This one says it's gilded, so it kind of looks green in the bottles, but I'm thinking it's gold maybe. And then there's this one, and that one says that it's dazzling. And then there's the powder. So this is interesting. I have like absolutely no idea what I'm doing here. So I'm assuming I would use this as one of the base colors. So let me give that a try. I probably should have put tape or something under my eye because it looks like it's just easily getting in places. So I have the dazzling on first, and then I'm going to put the gold or gilded or whatever it's called. So this is sort of, like a all over shimmer. It's like glitter almost, but not quite glitter, more, maybe a little more fine than glitter. And let me find a nice brush to use for, let's see, this one should work. So it says to take this and, does it have a, yeah, I think it has a seal, which I'll have to get at, because it has a, I don't know if you can see little holes, but I'll have to grab that seal and pull it out. I suppose that's so that you just don't drip glitter everywhere, which, yeah, that would be me. I'd be dripping glitter everywhere. So, to get it out, I think I'm just going to put the lid back on, give it a couple taps and see if that's got enough. Okay, not too bad. We'll see how this works. So it said to dab it like on the center of your eyelid. And not to use too much, which, how much is too much? I mean, is there such a thing as too much? Huh. I don't know. I don't think the powder is really that shiny compared to, the liquid metallic eyeshadow that's I've already put on. That, I don't know, though it's a lot drier. So it says do that, and then to use the pen. Oh, and it's like a marker. I love these kind of pens. So I'm going to try and see if I can bring this mirror over so you can see me attempting to do maybe a mini cat eye. So Always, when I get to the end there, I go back the other way. And little cat eye. So there we go with that. This actually was really easy and really fast to use, this eyeliner. I love this. I think this is going to be my new go-to eyeliner. So let me get that cap back on. So there you have the metallic eye with the eyeliner. Oh, I really like that. And then let me grab what I had also picked up on clearance, because, you know, if you have a metallic eye, why not just go all out and have metallic lips, right? Right? I mean, you can't overdo metallic. There's no such thing as too much metal, right? So that's the new lipstick I bought. And this one is called Copper Rose, and it is from who? Who is it from? Oh my god, isn't that awful? I don't even know who it's from. It's either CoverGirl or Revlon or one of those. It doesn't even say on the packaging, at least that I can read, because, you know, my eyes are not the best anymore. Oh my god. I mean, I know I already had, like, the remains of some lipstick on, but this is, like, something else. I swear it's taking me longer to put this lipstick on than it took me to do my eyeliner. I don't know. It doesn't look as metallic as it could. I mean, I was expecting something, you know, a lot more, how'd you say, shimmery, or... because it does have like a metallic shimmer to it when you look at it in the tube. But on, I don't know. They had showed a picture of one of the models on the display, and she was wearing like this golden bronzy color, and well, not really bronzy, more of a golden copper. And now I wish I had gotten that instead of this. This is it's okay, but who the heck makes this? You know, I have to resort to my glasses, so let me grab them. Yeah, I'm an old lady with my old lady glasses. And this says Color Sensational, Maybelline. Okay, so this is from Maybelline. God, the print on that. I mean, do you think they could have gotten it tinier if they tried? I don't think they could have made it any tinier than it was. So, oh, my battery's about to go. So I really enjoyed this kit. I'm really glad I purchased it. So if you see one of those at Target and it's on their clearance, or even if it's not on their clearance, I would grab it. So you guys have a great day, and remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. It's Peldyn, P-E-L-D-Y-N. Oh, and Facebook. And I will see you later. Bye.